a quick pickle or cucumber hack. You take a cucumber, you cut it up, you put it in a jar of, it doesn't matter what kind of pickles you got. Don't throw away the juice, because you can put cucumbers in it and make them pickles. And because we know cucumbers don't last very long. These been in here about a week. Smells like a pickle. It's well on its way to becoming a pickle. It's still not quite there, but it prevents the cucumber from going bad. So when you get that jar of pickles, and it runs out, and you run out, and you eat all the pickles out of it, keep that juice. Recycle that bad boy. That is a pickle hack, or cucumber hack.